institutions support us, giving us very nice rooms. Yeah. And we got to see a lot of graduation.
Yeah.
So we'd like to ask you, especially if you already have a written version of your paper, to submit it to the Journal of Daoist Studies. And you do that by sending it to Sherpa. Or to me. And there's like a format thing, so once we're in touch I can send, or maybe I'll send it out and we'll send it to everybody. There's like a model file and you put your paper in that format. We can print pictures, and so within, what's it now, June, so within the next 2 to 3 months, so by August, and then next year the journal comes out, February. So that would be good. Any comments, any things that anybody wants to share?
It was brilliant. It was brilliant, thank you.
Oh, good. Glad you enjoyed it. Yeah. I was very impressed by the high quality of all the presentations. Very, very impressed.
And very diverse from lots of.
Yes, it was very diverse, lots of different aspects, and really well done.
And we are very happy and grateful that you accepted to come here.
To Brazov.
Yes.
Yes.
It was very great.
So people have asked, and then if there are other comments, you can have more. Anybody with more comments? Okay,
I'm in a train now. I'm rehashing this satisfying experience. In the beginning, when the conferences were first organized in Boston, in Sichuan, in Wuhan, and Dangshan, other places, I have been at all these conferences, and it was always very satisfying because it is always nice to hear scholars talk about difficult subjects and see how they try to explain things very clearly to every individual person, so that whether you are a high level or low level, you can still understand what it's all about. It is also nice to see the personalities behind the written materials. And when we left, we had a nice dinner and we still had some nice pictures also. Altogether there were about 12 different panels, and each panel had about 2 or 3 speakers, depending a little bit. There was a visa problem from some of the Chinese speakers, so they were not there. There was a Korean speaker. There was somebody from China whose books I have been reading and are also on the book list from the IOC Daoland program. So I was also very happy to meet with him. My friend Christian Vasil, Aikido master from Romania, was also there for a moment to say hi. In a 2-year time period, there's going to be a next conference in number 19 in Shandong. In Shandong, of course, in China. I've always wanted to be there for a while to have a look, because there's some major classical sites to be seen for Daoism. So if you feel like going there with me, then let me know, because then I will put you on the list. And for the students of the IOC Daoland Bachelor Program for Yangshan Studies with Chinese medicine and Neidan practice, as well as massage, acupuncture, rejuvenation practices, and a whole bunch of other things, I Ching, counselor studies. These students I have made soundscapes for sound recordings, and these are going to be put into video so that they can watch them later on in their science module. I look forward to you to also sign up for this course, so that you can also listen to these interesting talks and get to know a lot of the voices in the world with the study of Daoism and Daoist medicine also. Thank you all, so everybody, speakers. By the way, I made these recordings in the train, so every now and then you will hear the train in the background. This is what you hear. And then there was this.
Prince?
Huh?
It's a great, huh? It's not going to do it.
The dog wanted to say hi, but he wasn't allowed. You see, he was asking for permission. That's how pet relationships are.